Hi guys, Sam from 3D here. This video will show you how you can change the colors, how you can modify your room, and like easy tutorial to follow if you want to, for example, plug some characters inside. So I will show you how you can just plug in the characters and you can play with that a little bit further by yourself. First thing first, colors. So if I want to change the colors, I just need to go here and change it. So if you are new to Blender, feel free to go to our YouTube channel on 3D where you can see like the frequently asked questions, and we are going from the beginnings, like how to navigate in Blender, how to change the colors of the objects, how to change the color of the skins of the characters, and like how to change the camera view, etc, etc. Okay, so for example, if I want to assign new material, this is important to mention because like this might gray, and if I want to assign, so this is how I will do it. So this is new material, and in edit mode I will just click on the polygons I want to assign, and I will assign new color. So just in case you don't like that it's changing, like the color is the same here and here, so this is how you can change it. So I created a new material, right? So that's it. One cool thing about the rooms is that you can just take the things and copy them, modify them, create your own room, etc. So okay, if I want to append the characters, I need to find them. Let's plug in male. I need to find the right collection, and the right collection is actually the male collection. I just need to append. Okay, I appended also some other things I didn't want, so this is the character, and this is just the things I didn't want to append. I just need to delete them. Okay, so now I want to change the pose, because lower body, because I don't want him to sit. I want to put him behind the desk, the speaker desk. So the lower body, then I need to find the upper body, change to standing. Right, so now he's standing. Okay, so right now I want to make him a little bit smaller because the room is smaller. So this is how I'm changing. I just put the S scale, zoom in a little bit, and with just S, I'm in the object mode. Important thing, I'm in the object mode, and with just S I can move it. One thing that is important to mention is that if you want to have like the whole generator, this is the way how you can do it. The other thing is that you can just delete and upload only the characters you want to, with only legs you chose from the beginning. The way how you can do it is just, you need to be sure, because here I copied all the eyeglasses, all the accessories, all the shirt, and sometimes you don't need it. You just need one shirt, one accessories, one eyeglasses. So if I go like delete driver, I would delete the driver, then I would delete like the layer, like the shirt, belt, jumper, cloak, and so on. So this is how you can just copy and paste literally only the character you want to, you chose. So you don't need to deal with all the whole generator. So again, just go delete the driver, delete all the things here, and also delete the generator, and you just need to plug in the character. Okay, so in our case I want to have the generator because it can be powerful. I can change the way how the character looks like, and I have all the possible combinations with me, right? So this is it, and with pose mode I just need to move it little bit here, right? And now in object mode I will move it to the room. With 0 I'm going to do view of camera view, again S, make it a little bit smaller. Whoop. Whoop, whoop. Oh, he's small, he's like child. So just make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so now as you can see I have the character here inside the room. This is pretty cool. And the other thing is that I have all generator with me. I have all the poses with me. So if I don't like some pose, I can change it. I can change the bone if I don't like. So for example, he's moving a little bit, like the head is more like he's picking, the hand is maybe a little bit, just to give you the idea that he's doing something. And right now I can change the character. So I'm changing. Right now he's bald. So I'm going to change him. Voila! I have a new character in the room. So this is pretty powerful, because you can have millions of combinations inside the room where you can modify the room, you can play with the room, you can create your own room, and that's fun. That's cool to do. Let's say I like this hair, and if you, for example, want to move only the generator to make it a little bit closer, so I just need to click on first I click on this part, then this part, and just select like the expressions, like with shift, and now I'm moving the whole generator. Or you can just, here you need to be in the select box and to move with the shift all the things, or I mean you need to select the things, and with the shift I just selected the other parts. So that's it. This is pretty easy to do, and it can be pretty powerful because you can create a meeting room where people are sitting here, maybe laying here, or you can put other objects here from the characters library. You can put pet here from pets library, you can put animal here from animals library, some icons from icons library. So this is how you can create your own rooms, and this is pretty powerful what you can do. So that's it. This is everything from my side. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at samuel@3d.design. If you want to learn more about the ROOMZ library and Characterz library, go to characterz.design. If you want to learn more about 3D, go to 3d.design. Have a great day and stay creative. Bye.